This is a 2012 Chevy Impala with code C0040, which it means that there is a malfunction in the circuit or erratic circuit on the right wheel speed sensor passenger side. That's the right wheel, an anti-lock brake system. It says there's a circuit issue. I'm showing you here. This is the driver's side. The reason I'm showing you here because I already fixed the problem. I'm gonna go back there after and just show you what to look for. It is very common on those cars because of the poor design that they make those cables just wires. If you uncover, if you just take this out, there's wires here. There are wires right here. You see them? You see these wires inside? This is not supposed to be like this. If you look on like most of foreign cars, this is very much solid. It's like rigid wire, like very flexible. It does not. This is usual. Doesn't happen in many foreign vehicles. It's only on those GM. So what happened is, even if you look at these wires, this is what happened on the other side. This car came from a couple of places, and nobody figured out. They changed already the knuckle, the hub, complete assembly, because the ABS sensor, it's part of the wheel bearing. So you cannot change the speed sensor by itself. You have to change the whole wheel bearing. So on the right side, somebody did replace it in hope to fix the issue, but it did not. By the way, this is not the first car I have this issue with. So it's very common. Those wires, even if they don't look to you, they're not cut. They are damaged internally. So what you do, you hold this, you take this completely out. I don't want to take it from here because it's already okay. And you try to pull the wire, like try to stretch it. You're gonna see it's like flimsy, like it's expand as you stretch it. This means the metal part inside already cut. So in this vehicle, it used to be, the ABS used to be erratic, like sometimes on, sometimes off. When you turn the wheel, it goes out. You turn to the left, it comes back on. Like it's crazy. So very obviously, it's a contact issue. There is a wire issue internally inside the wires. So those wires, they cut. They keep moving until they disconnect. So they are very much barely touching. So I'm gonna show you what I did to the other side to fix it, and that's very much it. That's what's the issue. This area, you don't want to look anywhere else. This is the most common problem because this is the only piece from that wire keeps moving every time you turn the wheel. This is connected, the harness here, connected to the ABS sensor right here. So you just unplug this and you just fix the wires, put them back, and that's it. That's what I did in the other car, and the problem is fixed. That's what the issue was. And like I said, this is maybe the car number 10 or 5. I don't remember. Like there's so many I've done that this is the issue. All right. So when it says circuit, usually it is a circuit. It's not the ABS. And usually the ABS sensor, in many cases, like most 99% of the time, they don't like go on off from because the ABS. If the ABS goes bad, usually they go bad for a long period of time. All right, so let me show you the other side. Okay, so this is the driver's side. As you can see, I just put a connector between the wires. Both wires, when I stretch them, like I say, when I stretch them, I hold them with my both hands. They very much stretched. It feel like a rubber band. So that's when you need to hold it and see where that weak point, when you stretch it, it feels like a rubber band. Exactly, that's how I could describe it. It's a rubber band. So I just use these. There's a lot of ways to do this. You don't want to make it too long. You don't want it to go under the ball joint or touching the control arm. So you can do it this way, and then you could do shrink this with the heat. after it's done. Like, you know, I could heat this and it shrinks, and it's like prevent humidity from getting inside or water getting inside. And that's very much it. Or you can use a wire, same gauge, so you could just connect it from here to here. You don't want to put it. You don't want to put these. You don't want after cut it. I try to put it because it's gonna be short. So you just bring a wire like 2 inches, 1 inch, and then you just put tape around this. However you feel comfortable doing it, it's up to you. But this is the way I did it. It's working and it's fine. I drove the car with no problem. The ABS is 100% fixed. So this is the issue on many GM vehicles. Okay, it's not the ABS sensor. And in this car case, you have to replace the whole bearing or hub assembly to fix the problem. All right, so that's I thought to share with you what is the common issue in case you have that C0040 passenger side, and I believe C0039 is the driver side, but in my case is the passenger side is the issue. And this wiring really fixed it. Okay, I hope I was able to help you on this. Hope you like, share, help me move this channel as far as I can. And I try to post as many videos as I can. And please watch my other videos. I have a lot of very helpful technical information on many vehicles in my other videos. And I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.